Hairy money is a strategy that we can use to help us count money. Think of this strategy as training wheels. Once you understand how to identify and count coins, you won't need to use this strategy anymore. Hairy money is using sticks as hair to skip count by 5 to count quarters, nickels, and dimes. A penny will be bald because it is worth 1 cent, so it will only have a dot instead of a hair. Let's start with identifying and understanding each coin's worth first. A quarter is worth 25 cents. A dime is worth 10 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. A penny is worth 1 cent. Let's see how we can use hairy money strategy to understand the values of each coin and help us count groups of coin values. A quarter is 25 cents, so it will have 5 hairs. Let's place 5 hairs on the quarter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's use the hairs to skip count by 5 until we reach 25 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. A dime is 10 cents. Therefore, it will have 2 hairs. 1, 2. Let's use the hairs to skip count by 5. 5, 10. A nickel is 5 cents. Therefore, it will have 1 hair. 1. Let's use the hair to skip count by 5. 5. A penny is 1 cent. Therefore, it will not have any hair. Remember that hairs are to skip count by 5. Therefore, the value of the penny is too small to complete a hair. So the penny will have a dot to mark it as 1. Dot. Now count by 1. 1. Let's place this into practice. Let's count the following coins. We have 2 quarters, 1 dime, 1 nickel, and 2 pennies. Let's start by labeling the coins first with the hairs. A quarter is 25 cents, therefore it will have 5 hairs. Let's give each quarter 5 hairs. The dime is worth 10 cents, so it will have 2 hairs. The nickel is worth 5 cents, so it will have 1 hair. The penny is worth 1 cent, therefore it will only have a dot. Remember that you will skip count using the hair by 5s to count the quarter, nickel, and dime. The penny will be counted by 1. Let's start. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67. The value of our coins is 67 cents. Tips on using the hairy money strategy. You will need to label your hairs before you start. Once you label the hairs, you can start skip counting. Remember that quarters, nickels, and dimes are skip counted by 5, but pennies are bold and will only need a dot, so that you can skip count by 1. Hope you enjoyed this, and remember this is a training wheel strategy, meaning that this strategy is to be used to help you count coin values. But as you keep practice counting the coins, you will be able to do so and not use this strategy anymore. Thank you for watching, and good luck!